Welcome to Vlogmas Day 18. Our family has been gathering to bake and decorate cookies for 5 years. It has become one of our favorite holiday traditions. We started in 2017 when there were just 2 grandgirls. We were overly ambitious that year, and most of us had to take our cookies home to finish, but what fun we had. In 2018, we had a smaller group, but the grandgirls were old enough to learn how to roll out sugar cookies and cut them with a cookie cutter. 2019 was a fun year as we added 3 grandsons to the mix, none of them old enough to help. We finished that day with a chili dinner for all the families that participated. Of course, in 2020 we weren't able to gather together due to the pandemic. Instead, we held a cookie exchange. Everyone sent at least 2 varieties, and there were so many cookies, all delicious. This year, everyone was old enough to be involved. We kept things simple and focused on having lunch together, followed by cookie decorating and then a cookie exchange. My heart is full seeing these dear faces around my dining room table. After lunch, we finished up a few cookies for the exchange. While that was happening, we started frosting the sugar cookies that I had made previously. Then the kids and adults gathered around the table and decorating commenced. The kids did an amazing job and were really good about not eating too many cookies while decorating. The adults mostly helped by frosting the majority of the cookies and getting them to the kids to decorate. Aren't these cookies amazing? 100% decorated by the kids. And they are yummy. Let me know in the comment section below if you're interested in seeing a video of me making these best ever cutout cookies and the yummy frosting. Here's the aftermath of a fun afternoon of cookie decorating. We ended up with a lovely assortment of cookies to exchange once again. In addition to the decorated cutout cookies, we had Rice Krispie treats, Santa Whiskers, 2 batches, snowballs, gluten-free spritz cookies, and gluten-free chocolate pinwheels. After the exchange, this is what we set aside to put out on Christmas Day when we gather again. And I'm pretty sure there will be a few new cookies and treats to add to them. Every family gets to take home a package of cookies. Plus, there are a few extras for family that couldn't be with us today.